Even though fire sounds scary, it's the best ecological tool that you can use on a native landscape.
So you can see our fire fuels here, the grasses and everything are ready to carry fire.
Gosh, this is incredible. I hear that crackling. That's
Yes,
good,
sir.
right? That crackling?
That means it's dry, it's ready.
Oh, boy.
Yes, sir.
This is a lot harder than I thought it was going to be.
Before I knew it, the air was filled with smoke,
All right.
and the burn was underway.
Okay. Whew, this is work, Sam. We just getting started.
Sam and his team use utility vehicles to lay fire lines fast. Today's strategy is to start a line of fire on 3 sides and let it meet in the middle.
Wildfires burn so hot and intense because there's a heavy buildup of fuel. So the more you use prescribed fire, the less chance you have of wildfire.
When forests are allowed to become overgrown with underbrush, they generate fuel. It's this buildup of fuel that can turn a lightning strike into an out-of-control wildfire.